if you want to show your ad on Google Map results, or if you want to add your Google business profile in your regular search ads, then this is the right video because for you guys, because I just got a question. And before I start the question, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza. I'm Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. Now let's move on to the question I have today. And the question is how to get business Google business profile appears in search results. How get business Google business profile appears in search ads. So let me make it correct. How to get Google business profile appears in search ads. One of Dubai taxi rental clients wants his Google business profile to be appear in search ads. I did set up search ad campaign with clicks to conversions. I have also selected search partners options in the campaign settings, but the Google business profile isn't getting any impressions in the ads. Am I doing something wrong? Can you please suggest me the campaign settings to get his Google business profile surfaced in Google search ads? Okay, so let me see the screenshot over here, so then I can suggest you. Oh, so you can see that he wants his ad to be shown on a Google Map ads, or these are basically Google Map results. The procedure is very easy, very simple. Anyone can do it. Anyone can operate it. The procedure is, what you have to do is to open open the Google Ads account. Let's say this is a Google Ads account. What you have to do over here is just simply move on to your assets over here. Simply select the assets over here. Once you select the assets over here, then there will be an option of location. Just move on to the location, and over here what you have to do is just simply select the plus over here, and uh, there is another way as well. So once you move on to your assets and then on the locations, you can see over here that these two are the locations, which are already being connected. And once you connect these locations, you can simply run your ads on Google Map ads and Google search ads as well with your location. Now the question is how to add the location over here. There are 2 to 3 ways through which. One is manually you can add it, and the second and the best way which you are asking is how you can link it with a Google business profile, so that your Google business profile address appears over here, and that is also being shown on Google Map ads just like over here as well. Now the procedure is, what you have to do is you have to go to tools over there, and in the tools select the data manager over here. Once you select the data manager over here, you can see over here that the Google business profiles are linked over here. Just have to go to the manage and link, and once you are over here at the manage and link, you can simply add over here as well. And because this account does not have any settings, so you can see over here but I'm just telling you the procedure over here. Now there is another procedure as well over here through which you can add, and that is just have to move to your account and simply over here select the connect product. Once you select the connect product, you are being given the option over here, and then you have to you select the business profile over here. You can see over here the selecting the business profile, and then you have to set over there and then move on. And once you select the source of information, and then what you have to do is though they will ask you for connecting, but because right now this account has already connected, so which is why I'm unfortunately can't show you over here, but I'm just giving you an example on how you can set your locations. So you can see that you already have a location asset. You may link to a new Google business profile but can't use it in your ad. To use it, remove the existing location asset. So one is already being connected over here. I'm just telling you the data source is already Google business profile, and they will ask you directly on how you in opening your Google business profile over here to directly link over there as well. So yeah, the procedure is quick and easy, and after this your ads will be shown just like over here, just over here. I hope this answers your question, but in case if you need a thorough working on your account and in case still have any confusions on how to link, me and my team can help you in linking your Google business profile with Google search ads. We can also help you in setting up your Google ads campaign. We can also help you in auditing your Google ads campaign. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.